2015 Nissan petrol. Customer complaint: washer level light is on, warning light is on. Washer, here is the washer light in the cluster is on. Now I order the sensor. This is the water level sensor. Today I show you how to fix this sensor. This is the seal. This is the seal. This is the sensor. First thing, open the passenger side tire. Open the passenger side tire. This cover, this half the passenger side tire cover, remove. Remove this whole cover. Want to remove this whole cover. Little dark clip. Here is drum of the water. Inside located the sensor. Remove this also. This is the cover. This is the motor water tank. This for the rear water motor. This for the front water. This is the sensor. Better see the level. This is the sensor. We can change. This is the low washer warning light for this sensor. This was okay. This is the clip. Now we remove this. I open. This is old one. Now I fix this new and this new seal. This is the location. Okay, thank you.